A tiny spacecraft, built in the 1970s, no bigger than a small car, is now farther from Earth than any other human-made object in history. It has traveled more than 14 billion kilometers. That's so far that signals from Earth take over 22 hours just to reach it. This is Voyager 1, NASA's time capsule to the stars. But Voyager is much more than a machine. It's a symbol of human curiosity, a mechanical pioneer carrying our story into the unknown. Launched on September 5, 1977, Voyager 1's mission was simple: explore Jupiter and Saturn up close. But thanks to a once-in-176 years planetary alignment, scientists realized they could use gravity assists, slingshot maneuvers, to fling the spacecraft from one planet to another like a cosmic pinball, saving decades of travel time. NASA seized this rare opportunity. Just 15 days earlier, its twin, Voyager 2, had launched on the same mission. At the time, no one imagined these spacecraft would still be operating nearly half a century later. But Voyager didn't just survive, it thrived. At Jupiter, Voyager revealed a stormy world with lightning, raging hurricanes, and its famous Great Red Spot swirling like a cosmic whirlpool. It shocked scientists by discovering active volcanoes on Io, the first time we had seen volcanoes outside Earth. Then came Saturn. Voyager showed us its rings in breathtaking detail, revealing that they weren't solid, but made of countless icy particles forming mysterious wave patterns. These early discoveries completely changed how we saw the solar system. No longer a quiet, frozen neighborhood, but a place alive with activity and surprises. Voyager's journey didn't stop at Saturn. It kept going, entering uncharted territory. Its twin, Voyager 2, took an even more ambitious path, becoming the only spacecraft ever to visit Uranus and Neptune. At Uranus, it discovered tilted magnetic fields and strange moons covered in canyons and dark spots. At Neptune, it found supersonic winds, the fastest in the solar system, and the Great Dark Spot, a storm as big as Earth. These encounters proved that the outer planets were not boring, frozen rocks. They were dynamic, violent, and full of mysteries waiting to be solved. And here's what blows people's minds. Voyager's computers only have 69 kilobytes of memory, less than the size of a single photo on your phone today. They store data on magnetic tape recorders and transmit it back using a 23-watt transmitter, about the same as a refrigerator light bulb. And yet, we can still hear them, even now, across billions of kilometers. NASA's Deep Space Network, a set of giant dish antennas around the world, listens carefully for these faint signals, decoding every bit of data. This is one of the most inspiring engineering feats in human history, 1970s technology still working in 2025, guiding us into interstellar space. Then came Voyager's most historic moment. On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space. Scientists had predicted that when it crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's solar wind ends, we would see a clear, dramatic change in magnetic fields and particle density. But what Voyager found stunned everyone. Yes, plasma density increased, just as expected, but the magnetic field barely changed, as if the sun's influence still stretched farther than we thought. It wasn't a clean line, but a blurred, messy frontier, like two oceans mixing at a tide. This suggested that the edge of our solar system is not a sharp border, but a complex, shifting region where solar and galactic forces collide. Even more surprising, Voyager found that interstellar space is not smooth. It's clumpy, full of regions with different densities, temperatures, and pressures. These may be the remnants of ancient supernova explosions, scattered like fingerprints of long-dead stars. Each plasma cloud Voyager passes through is like reading a new chapter in our galaxy's history, telling us what happened millions of years ago. Voyager's mission is not just scientific, it's poetic. Each spacecraft carries a golden record, a time capsule containing sounds, music, greetings in 55 languages, and pictures of life on Earth. This record is meant for any intelligent civilization that might one day find Voyager. It includes everything from greetings in ancient languages to the sound of waves crashing on a beach, a baby crying, and even Chuck Berry's Johnny Be Good. It's our way of saying, we were here. Think about this. Billions of years from now, long after Earth is gone, Voyager will still be drifting through the galaxy, carrying this message, proof that humanity once existed. Voyager's mission was meant to last 4 years. It has now lasted over 45 years and continues to send back data, even as its power slowly fades. By the 2030s, its instruments will shut down one by one, until finally Voyager falls silent, alone but still traveling forever. When that day comes, it will mark the end of humanity's first great journey to the stars. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love space exploration, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends so we can keep exploring the universe together.